In this video, we're going to be going over 5 reasons why you're not making money trading Forex or day trading in general. So I hope you guys get value from this video and hopefully it can help those that are struggling. So let's get into the video. So some of the points I'm making in this video I may have mentioned in other videos, but I feel like if I can pinpoint the top 5 reasons why people are struggling to make money in this video, then it's good for people. They should be able to take value from it. So number 1, you don't have a strategy that you know is consistent and that has a proven edge in the market. So you're just buying and selling and you're randomly executing trades, not knowing the data behind the strategy that you're using. You're just randomly buying, selling, executing trades in the market, hoping to win. Some days you might win just out of pure luck. Some days you might lose, but you don't have a probabilistic mindset. You don't have a track record of historical data with your strategy that you know that you're going to be, that has produced consistent returns long term. And yeah, overall you don't have a strategy, you don't have set rules, you don't have things you're looking for, you don't have time frame where you're looking to execute in the market. So it's important that you have a tangible strategy, that you know exactly when you're executing trades, why you're executing trades, and what you're looking for, certain signals you're looking for. Also, another point with the strategy aspect is you might have a strategy, but you're also not executing the strategy. So you might have a strategy that you've back tested and you've got consistent results from, consistent profitable results, back testing. But when you go to trade live, or you go to trade your funded account or your evaluation of whatever you may be doing, you're not executing that strategy like you would, because the emotion, like you would in back testing, because your emotions are taking over. You're maybe missing trades, you're taking trades that aren't there because you don't want to miss out on the move. So number 1, if you don't have a strategy, or you have a strategy that you're not executing properly, you're not going to be able to make money trading Forex or trading in general. So you have to sort those 2 points out first, and they're things that people neglect. So it's important that you have a strategy, and then when you have a strategy, you're executing it as you should. So the next problem, and the reason why you're struggling to make money trading, is you're influenced by the wrong people, primarily on social media. When I started, there were a few social media influence trader people, but it wasn't as significant as what it is now. There's so many people who may have been trading a couple of months, or maybe may have just got into it, that are promoting the wrong things. They're promoting the lavish lifestyle to try and attract attention. It's like a marketing campaign to try and get people to go on their social media and follow them, and then they can sell rubbish pretty much to people. There's no real like, I'm making this channel to be logical, try and give advice from my experience. Again, I'm not exactly where I want to be 100%, but I've got experience that I can give off and try and help someone. I'm not trying to sell anything, I'm generally trying to help. And they see these people out there that would probably get more views in this video because they're promoting a Rolex watch, or they're promoting a flashy car. And if you can get those things through like being actually a solid trader, that's different. But you know, half of these people are promoting rubbish. They're regurgitating information that they've heard of someone else, explaining it poorly, but then promoting a lifestyle that's attracting people. There was a bit that someone said once, they posted a picture of a flashy car and it got like thousands of likes. They posted a picture the next day of logical advice on trading, how to make that money, and it got like 100 likes. So the point is people have been attracted by the wrong stuff. They're looking for the quick, easy, how do I get rich? How do I make money? I want this lifestyle, but they're not willing to put the work in. And if you're influenced by the wrong people and you're learning off the wrong people, it's going to slow down your learning curve. You're going to learn bad habits and you're going to struggle to make consistent money. And so I think nowadays you need to find a few people that you trust, that you know exactly are solid. You, like say, you trust them. They're giving you tangible advice that's actually benefiting your life, benefiting your trading, and just stick and follow them, because otherwise you're going to follow hundreds of different people trading 100 different ways. You're going to miss trades, they're going to take trades, you're then going to change your strategy, and it's just going to be difficult for you to stay focused. So I briefly mentioned in there about people trading 100 different ways, and this is the problem. When you look at people online and they're trading different ways, one day you might not take a trade. You go on your Instagram, you see someone make £1,000 and they've bought today, and you look at that trade and think, oh, maybe I should have done that. And you're not sticking to your strategy because there was no trades for you today. You then might look on, like I say, on social media, see someone take a trade and think, oh, I'm going to trade their strategy now because I've got nothing to do. And the issue is people, or if you take a loss today on your strategy, they say they've won. Whether they've won or not, no one knows. I mean, they're claiming they've won. And then you'll end up trying to change it. I did this. I sometimes would, one day I'd not have any trades or I'd take a loss, and then I'd look at someone else who I was following on social media and they'd say they'd had like a 4% day, and I thought, okay, how have they traded? And then you're trying to look at how they've traded and then trying to back test that and change your strategy, when ultimately all I need to do is stick to my strategy, stick to I know what works, and focus on myself, not look at all these other people and think, how are they trading? Because half of them probably aren't even making that much consistent money, and they're promoting the lifestyle, like I mentioned, promoting all the like these flashy material objects to sort of attract people in. And so strategy hopping is extremely negative because you're going to end up starting to make money, you're going to have a few losses, part of probability, then you're going to jump to another strategy that you think's this next holy grail, this next best thing, start trading that, and then end up losing on that, then jump back to your original strategy. And you're just going to be doing this rather than letting the edge play out and the probabilities play out by taking the losses, going through that phase, then the winners coming in because that's probability. And you're just going to struggle. So you need to not strategy hop, focus on your strategy, focus on not looking at other traders, not looking at other people's strategies. Try and focus on yourself or your community that you're in and improve. Lastly, expectations. That's a massive reason why people struggle to make money, because they think they're going to make it within a few months or a few weeks because they see someone that said that they've turned 10,000 or 2,000 into 100,000. The reality is it's going to take a lot longer than what you think. It's going to take years. You need to focus on improving slowly, not rushing it, taking your time, treating it like a professional skill. And like I said, not expecting quick results, because like I said, it's like going to the gym. You can't go to the gym for a month and expect to be in phenomenal shape. It takes consistently showing up and having a time frame of a few months to a year. And if you can stay consistent with the process and not rush, because if you go to the gym for a month and you sit there and go, oh, I've not made any progress, although you're working hard, you'll just give up. But if you think, okay, I'm going to give myself a year to get into the best shape I can, stay consistent with what I need to do, then by the 5th month, 6th month, you're going to start seeing results. Same with trading. You know, if you rush it and think, oh, if I don't make money in 2 weeks, then I'm going to stop and I'm just going to give up trading, then naturally you're not going to make any money. You're going to quit, or you're going to think this doesn't work. Rather than looking at the long-term approach of, okay, I gave myself 3 years, but give yourself a year, 2 years, 3 years to learn as best you can. Then you're going to, as a byproduct, you're going to have good days, bad days, but as a byproduct, you're going to start slowly growing and seeing results. So it's the expectations and high expectations of people expecting it quicker than what it is that's going to destroy your progress, and it's going to prevent you from making money. So if you guys enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate everyone that's liked and commented and subscribed. And if you got value from the video, like I say, support the channel by subscribing. So I'll see you guys in the next video.